Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all fine. This is Bruno, your English teacher, and today we're gonna talk about how to learn English, and I'll give you some tips on how to learn it. Are you tired of struggling to learn English and you think there is no easy way to learn the most spoken language around the world? I can give you some tips to change your way of thinking. First off, learning a foreign language in a non-speaking English country is a matter of time, and time comes with dedication, discipline, and strategies, but mainly habit. You need to turn the language into your second language. That means the English language has to be part of your daily routine. Secondly, you can't ever give up. If you stop working hard, all you have accomplished is lost. If you can afford a teacher, you should have one. Your teacher is the person who will study the strategies you need to learn English. He will be your guide to show you the right way to go. That will save you a lot of time and money in the long run. Being shy is not a problem. Nobody's expecting you to be outgoing. You're not learning English to be an actor, right? Basically, what most people want is to be able to communicate, and I'm sure that's your case too. Consider buying a couple of good dictionaries and a collection of grammar books. You can download them and print them out just to have them as a reference. Never ever hesitate to ask for help. You will need a lot of it. And the last but not the least important thing I have to say to you is that you must be humble. Yes, humbleness is very important. To listen to what people have to say. This is also key to learning anything in life. So if you follow my advice, I'm sure we will learn English in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have something to say, just say it. Bye bye.